Python for algorithmic trading. A lot of people now are learning how to use Python, which is good. You should learn Python if you are in your 20s, you're looking for a job. If you know how to code in R or in Python, you have an edge, so keep doing it. But in algorithmic trading, I do not advise, especially at a retail level, which is yourself at home, to use Python to trade a live account for the following reason. If you want to do systematic trading, there are already very good software. So unless you want to do something crazy complex, if you use multi-chart TradeStation or this software, you are okay. And most important, you are safe. You might have some limitation, it's true. But when you press the button and you go live, so there is a system that is trading your account with your real money, usually works. But if you do it on Python on yourself, there are many things that can go wrong. So even if your strategy is good, first, if you have any strategy built on rules, implement it in multi-chart will be much easier. And also, but let's say that you already have a good strategy in Python. You need to plug to a live account. There are a lot of little things that can go wrong, which is the connection between data provider and Python and your account. There could be something on the API you're using to connect your broker to your account that can go wrong. Let's say that your broker changed something on their site and you didn't update the API, and so Python cannot talk anymore with your broker. You will have issues. So if you are a team of people, you could. If you know very well what you're doing, you could, but it's not necessary. Even in banks, people use Python to build strategies, to build models. This is true, especially in machine learning, people use Python. But then when you need to trade the model, most of people use C. So let's say in a big hedge fund, there are quants building the model on Python. Then the model is good, works, they just give to another team that will translate it in C, and they will know every single detail about market connection, so nothing can go wrong, and it will be done in C because it will be faster and probably even more reliable. And so there are people that just code in C for a living, and they will translate a good strategy and trading model in something that can be traded live. Then maybe in some time there will be some Python package that allow you to trade it safely with a broker. There are many brokers that have API for Python, but I didn't see anything reliable, so it is dangerous. What I suggest is to do the following. If you have good idea, use TradeStation and multi-chart. When you are really sure that now your idea are complex or you're using machine learning, so they cannot be implemented over there and you need Python, you could do it, but first reach that level. So when you are sure that you're wasting a lot of ideas because cannot be implemented in multi-chart, then you can think about Python, but it's not necessary. So when you test ideas on TradeStation, it takes 5 minutes. Do the same in Python, take a lot of time. So I use Python and R all the time. I teach R in a university, and my students, they are required to use R to pass the exam with me and to do their projects. So I love R. I use R to do research, so it's fantastic. But at the same time, for trading is not, especially the implementation of the trading system is not. So do whatever you want, but with Python you might have some risk, and of course you will waste a lot of time. Bye bye.